you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the ride. You can see it.
Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new FENTY setting powder and concealer for you guys. So first off, I'm going to start by saying what it's supposed to do. I actually did a little poll on my Instagrams and a lot of people asked for a FENTY review. So that is what we're doing today. It's a creamy long wear crease proof liquid concealer with light as air medium to full coverage that brightens under eyes and conceals blemishes and redness. Sweat resistant, and it has 50 shades in the concealer. Let's say I'm a 300 in the actual foundation, so if you want a concealer to complement so you don't have to kind of guess around, you're gonna want to go with 300 in the concealer as well. Me, I actually like something a little bit more brighter under my eyes, so I actually went for 290 because I didn't really want that neutral undertone. I wanted something more bright. And also the powder is an instant retouch powder, and they come with, I got the banana shade. The silky loose powder works all day to reduce shine and to blur the looks of pores, fine lines, and imperfections for hyper smooth filter that won't flash back. So I can do a flash test for you guys as well. I'm sorry about this. My window and the way the sun's hitting my window is just awful. So let me get in my Sephora bag. So here I have concealer. This one's in 290. So it looks just like this. And yeah, not gonna lie, I've already tried this at work, but I didn't really get a full effect. And then here is the powder. This one's in the shade Banana. And Fenty's packaging is always so nice. So I guess it comes separately with this, so you can cover it. So this is what it looks like. Super sleek, super cute, and it's a lot. So I'm shade 300 in the foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my base, eyes, and brows, and then I'll be right back for concealer and powder. Don't mind this, I fucked up. My concealer that I put on my lid was reacting so weird to the foundation, so bizarre. Let's go ahead and test this out. Why did I put it back in the box? Okay, let's test it out. Apparently, from the reviews I've seen, a little goes a long way. I already tried it, but what should I do? There. I never usually put a lot anyways. Crease proof, so I have really bad creasing in my eyes, so let's see how that goes. So it's definitely creamy. So far it's covering up pretty well. Oh, it covered up a lot more than what I thought it did. It's pretty full coverage from a lot of the concealers that I've used. A lot of the concealers that I use can't really ever cover my birthmark. This one did a pretty damn good job covering it. To give it its fair shot, I usually keep my eyes up before I set my under eyes, just because I said my under eyes crease really easy. So let's go in with that banana shade for the powder. So I usually set with a brush underneath my eyes because I feel like with a sponge it adds too much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set. Wow, I really like that powder. It does give you that really smoothing effect under the eye. For sure. So far I'm loving the powder. So yeah, I was only gonna put that powder underneath my eyes because I don't really like to brighten anywhere else. I'm gonna go ahead, do the rest of my face, and then tell you guys my thoughts so far. I got done with my makeup and I was putting on mascara. I fucking love that. Honestly, I think I'm gonna throw myself against the damn wall for this. Alright guys, I just got done with the rest of my makeup and it is 3:41. I'm probably gonna give this a whole 8-hour wear test just to see how it's doing. I personally crease with anything and everything. I feel like if there's only been like one concealer that doesn't really like crease on me right away, and that has to be probably like Makeup Revolution concealer. Tarte Shape Tape is a little too thick, so it creases a little easier. But I have already creased a little bit, but that might be my fault. But then again, yeah, it might have been my fault from having to take off the makeup again and then redoing what I had to do because my foundation and my concealer that I used on my lids was reacting really weird together. So that might be a reason why it's creasing right now. But it's not like, you know, this type of creasing doesn't bother me. I'll just show you guys. Still got a whole 8 hours to go. So yeah, after a couple hours, probably check back in and then let the whole 8 hours flow through. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, it is 7:53 right now, and okay guys, so I'm literally just now realizing that my dog was drinking water in the background and that it sounds so cringy, so please excuse that. My bad, it won't happen again. It did end up creasing a little more. I don't know if you can see that. It ended up creasing just a little more, but it doesn't look bad. So far, I think it looks fine. I could probably use a touch-up myself around like my T-zone area. But other than that, I think that the concealer and powder are holding up pretty well. Yeah, there is some minor creasing, so I don't know if I did this on a bad day for my under eyes or if it was because I had to take off my makeup earlier. But this is like, I'd say 4 hours or 3 hours in from whenever I first applied it. I think it looks pretty good. I am going to be hanging out here for a little longer. I will be checking back in before 10 o'clock and just to see how much it held up. So it is currently midnight and I just got back from watching the escape room. Concealer wise, it creased a whole lot. It creased a lot. I'm not surprised that it kind of creased a little bit, but the powder and stuff still looks really good. Like the under eye still looks flawless except like in the creasing. Other than that, I have really no complaints. I'm just gonna take off my makeup and go to bed. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
You say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy.